When it comes to rocking short hair, black women always bring creativity, confidence, and elegance. Short haircuts are not just about low maintenance, they are about both expression, style, and showing off your beautiful facial features. Welcome to Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. From chic pixie cut, coily afros, tapered cuts, finger waves, fade design, and even colorful styles, keep watching. Lovelies, those hairstyles are timeless, stylish, and perfect for every occasion, whether you want a casual everyday look or something glamorous for a night out. You have seen it all. If you need more, let me know on the comment section and which one you would like to rock this week we're about to enter. Meet my next upcoming video, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more inspiration haircut hairstyles. Bye.